We are learning, oh, we're gonna learn and play today. Today we're going to make some cookies. We're making giggly and hungry. First thing you're gonna need is some butter.
Yeah.
Half a cup of softened butter. 1/3 cup of sugar. Next thing we're going to do is put in 1 egg. We're going to blend that together. One-4 teaspoon of vanilla.
1/4 teaspoon of almond extract.
All right, you ready to mix it? One-third cup of flour.
Can I taste the dough with spoon?
What do you think? Good?
Good.
All right, let's make our letters. The first letter we're gonna make is a giggly G. Are you ready?
I want to make
Now I'm gonna make hungry H.
Okay, and now we're gonna bake these cookies in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes or so.
Right, we finished our cookies. Here they are, giggly
G.
and hungry.
I.
Hungry H, and they're really, are they hot?
Yeah.
All right, hi, hungry H.
Ah.
Ooh, we're hot, hot. Okay, let's try it. Take a bite. 1, 2, 3. What do you think? Is it good?
Yeah, Mom.
Thumbs up. We hope you make these at home. Thanks for watching.
Bye.